Hello Junior 3, open your school book to page 204. Here we are in lesson 114. We will solve the problems below. Question number 1. He needs from me to write 75 tenths in a standard form. When we write 75 tenths, it will be as 750. Question number 2. He wants to write 200 plus 32 tenths plus 17 ones in a standard form. We will write 200, 2 with 2 zeros to be 200, plus 32 tenths, that's mean plus 320. Plus 17 ones, it will be as the same 17. Question number 3. Write this number in a word form. So what this number? This number is 14,780. Question number 4. Write 45 tenths plus 20 ones plus 50 hundred in a standard form. When we write this 45 tenths, it will be 450. Plus 20 ones, it will be at the same 20, plus 50 100, that's mean 5,000. Question number 5. What is the largest number you can make with the digits 5, 4, 7, 0? To make a largest number, that means I will arrange this number from the greatest to the least. The greatest number here is 7. So we will start with 7. After that 5. After that 4. After that 0. So the number 7,540. Question number 6. What is the largest number you can make with the digits 2, 4, 1, 3? It will be the same. I will arrange them from the greatest here. The greatest here is 4. After that 3, after that 2, after that 1. So the number 4,321. Question number 7 here. The digit in my thousandth place is less than the digit in my ones place. Who am I? So we will look to the two places here. The thousandth place and ones place. The thousandth place less than ones place, so it will be letter B. 943,107. The last question here. The digit in my hundredth place is 3 more than the digit in my 10,000th place. Who am I? That will be letter B. 351,869. What is the smallest number you can make from the digits 9, 0, 3, and 4? Here we will arrange the number from the smallest number. The smallest number we have here 0, but we can't start number with 0, so I will take the next one. It will be 3, so I will start with 3. After that 0, after that 4, after that 9, to be the number 3,049. What is the smallest number you can make from the digits 6, 7, 1, 1, and 2? I will arrange this number from the smallest number. So I will start with 1, 1, 2, 6, 7. So this number will be 11,267. Here order the following from the least to the greatest. I will look to the highest place value in each one of them. I will start here with 345,001. After that 345,002. 310. After that, 354,010 and 543,100. Write the word form for this number. So what this number will be? This number is 308,562. The digit in my hundreds place is 8 and my thousands place has a 3. If the digit in my tens and ones place is 2, who am I? At the first, I will put my crowns. This is my crowns, or this is my places of the digit. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand. And we'll start from the beginning. My hundred place is 8, so we will write 8 under the 100. My thousand place has a 3, so we will write 3 under 1000. If the digit in my tens and my ones place is 2, so we will write 2 in the tens and 2 in the ones. Now we can read this number. This number is 3,822. The next one, the product of 5 times 0 is in my tens place, and my hundred place hold the product of 3 times 2. Put a 2 in my ones place and tell me who am I. This will be the same. I will put my crowns here, ones, tens, hundred, thousand, and we will start from the beginning. The product of 5 times 0, this is in my tens place. Now, 5 times 0, that's mean product will be 0. So my tens place here is 0. We will write 0 under the tens. And my hundred place hold the product of 3 times 2. Okay, jr3. 3 times 2 will give me 6. So my hundred place here is 6. I will put 6 under 100. And he tell me to put 2 in my ones place. I will put 2 in my ones place. Now what this number? This number is 602. Lesson 115. We will read and solve the first problem here. Show your work in the box below. Question number 1. Amir went to the museum with his family. They arrived at 10 a.m. and they left the museum to go back home at 3:30 p.m. How long were they at the museum? Okay, I will start when they arrived at 10, going to 3 p.m. Look here, I arrange the clock here from 10 to 3. Let's start to count how many hours we have here. From 10 going to 11, we have 1 hour. From 11 to 12, we have 1 hour. From 12 to 1, this 1 hour. From 1 to 2, 1 hour. And from 2 to 3, 1 hour. But they go back home at 3:30. So from 3 to 3:30, that's mean we have 30 minutes. Now we will count how many hours they take. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 hours and 15 minutes. So how long were they at the museum? They had 5 hours and 30 minutes. Question number 2. Ziad woke up at 7 a.m. He has to leave at 8 a.m. for school. It takes him 20 minutes to eat breakfast, 5 minutes to brush his teeth and hair, and 10 minutes to pick his bag. If he wanted to watch a 30-minute cartoon, would he have enough time before he leave for school? Okay. He get up at 7 and leave at 8. So from 7 to 8, this is only 1 hour. And 1 hour, that means 60 minutes. Okay, he tell me that he take 20 minutes to eat breakfast, 5 minutes to brush his teeth or hair, and 10 minutes to pick his bag. So we will count or collect all of these minutes. 20 plus 5 plus 10. 20 plus 5 plus 10, it will give me 35 minutes. So he takes 35 minutes before he going to the school. If I will ask myself, can he watch a 30-minute cartoons before he going? Okay, he take only 1 hour and he do all of this in 35 minutes. So we can say 60 minutes minus 35 will give me 25 minutes. So he have only 25 minutes. He can watch a 30 minutes of cartoon? No, not enough to watch the cartoon. Use what you know about time and elapsed time to solve the problems below. Number 1, how much time has elapsed? The first one here, from 6:30 a.m. going to 7 a.m. This is my 2 o'clock. The first one, this is 6:30 and this is 7 a.m. We will going from the long hand here, from 30 going to 7. So from 6:30 to 7 we have 30 minutes. The second one, from 4:30 p.m. to 9 p.m. This is my first one, 4:30, and this is 9 o'clock. From 4:30 going to 5, I have 30 minutes. To make it easy, I take this 30 minutes. After that, I will count after 5 going to 9. From 5 o'clock to 9 o'clock. From 5 o'clock to 9 o'clock, we have 4 hours. And I have 30 minutes before, so they are 4 hours and 30 minutes. The last one here, letter C, 11:15 a.m. going to 5:30 p.m. So this is 11:15, 5:30. 11:15, we can make it 11:30 to make it easy. From 11:15 to 11:30, there we have 15 minutes. This will be my 15 minutes. After that, I will count from 11:30 going to 5:30. From 11:30 to 5:30, when I will count, I have 6 hours. And I have 15 minutes before, so all of them 6 hours and 15 minutes. Number 2, we will look at the analog clocks here and write the time below and then determine how much time has elapsed between the two times. The first clock here, the shorthand here into 3, so the clock here 3, and the long hand on 12, that's mean zeros in a minute. The second clock here, the shorthand to 5, so the hours here 5, and the long hand going to 3, that's mean 15 minutes. How much time has passed here? From 3 going to 5. To make it easy, we will start from 3 o'clock going to 5 o'clock. from 3 to 5. That's the first. From 3 to 4, this is the first hour, and from 4 to 5, this is the second hour. Now we will going from 5 to 5:15. From 5 to 5:15, we take 15 minutes. So we have 2 hours and 15 minutes. We will solve the story problems here below about the applied time. Show how you solve the problem in the box below. Number 3. Amin arrived at school at 7:30 a.m. He leaves school at 3:15 p.m. How long is Amin at school? To make it easy for us, I will start my hours from 7:30 going to 8. From 7:30 going to 8, that means I take 30 minutes. After that, I will count from 8 going to 3 o'clock. From 8 o'clock to 3 o'clock. Okay, let's start. From 8 to 9, this is I have 1 hour, and from 9 to 10, another hour. From 10 to 11, an hour, and so on. Each one of them reach to 3. After that, he told me he leaves school at 3:15. Now, the third steps, I will count from 3 to 3:15. From 3 to 3:15, that's mean 15 minutes. Now we will count how many hours we have and how many minutes we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have 7 hours, and I have 30 plus 15 will give me 45 minutes. So 7 hours and 45 minutes. Number 4. Heba spent 3 hours at dance practice. She finished at 6:10 p.m. What time did she start? We will go backward. She finished at 6:10 p.m. She spent 3 hours at dance practice. So we will going backward one time, this 1 hour. We will be at 5:10. Another 1 hour back, it will be 4:10. And another one back, 3:10. So we will go backward 3 hours. That the time that she start. She start at 3:10. Number 5. Kamal's family took a road trip. They left at 7:30 a.m. and drove until 12:15 p.m. When they stopped for lunch, how many hours were they on the road? Okay, we will do it as we do before. We will start from 7:30 going to 8 o'clock. To make it easy for me, from 7:30 going to 8 o'clock, I just take only 30 minutes. Now I will go from 8 o'clock going to 12 o'clock. And I will count how many hours I will take here. From 8 to 9, this is the first hour. From 8 to 10, second hour. From 10 to 11, third hour. And from 11 to 12, the fourth hour. He told me they drove until 12:15. So the third step, we will going from 12 to 12:15. From 12 to 12:15, we spend or we take 15 minutes. Now we will count how many hours we have. We have 1, 2, 3, and 4 hours. And how many minutes? 30 plus 15, 45. So they spend 4 hours and 45 minutes. Number 6. Kamal's family spent 30 minutes eating lunch before they go back on the road. What time did they start driving again? Okay, so they are stopped at 12:15, and when we make another 30 minutes again, that's mean 12:45. We make plus between the minutes here, 15 plus 30, 45. So they are spent at 12 and 45 minutes. Madiha made a cake for her sister's birthday. It took her 25 minutes to mix it, 45 minutes to bake, and then another 30 minutes to frost it. How long did it take Madiha to complete the cake? Now we will add this 25 plus 45 plus 30. It will give me 100 minutes. Okay, what mean 100 minutes? All of us know the clock or the hour have 60 minutes. So now 100 minus 60, 40. That's mean I have 1 hour and 40 minutes. The challenge here, number 1, Kamal had football practice after school. He left school at 3:30 p.m. He walked for 15 minutes to the field practice for an hour and a half, and then walked 20 minutes home. What time did he get home? Okay, the first, he left school at 3:30. He walked for 15 minutes. That's mean we will make plus 15 minutes. 30 minutes plus 15 minutes, that's mean the clock will be 3:45 minutes. 3 and 45 minutes. He practiced for an hour, that's mean plus 1 in hour. 3 plus 1, that's mean 4 and 45. An hour and half. So here we have another half an hour, that's mean 30 minutes. Okay, how can I do it when I make plus between the minute 45 plus 30? If this to be my clock, here it's 4 o'clock and 45 minutes. The long hand will going 30 minutes. Start from here, we will count 30 minutes. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So my long hand in the clock will going from 9 reach to 3. 3, that's mean he stopped on 5 and 15 minutes. Okay, he tell me that he walk another 20 minutes going home. So plus 20 minutes, we will make plus between the minute here. 15 plus 20, it will be 35. So the time did he get home is 5 and 35. Number 2, Gaber comes home from school and starts his homework. It takes him 22 minutes to do his math, 20 minutes to read, and he has a science experiment that takes 18 minutes. Hala has the same homework. She takes 15 minutes to do her math, reads for 20 minutes, and then the science experiment only take her 12 minutes. Okay, how long does it take Gaber to finish all his homework? Gaber has 22 plus 20 plus 18. It gave me 60 minutes. That's mean 1 hour. Okay, how long does it take Hala to finish all of her homework. Hala do her homework at 15 plus 20 plus 11. It will give me 46 minutes. How much longer did it take Gabber to do his homework? So we will make the difference between them. 60 minus 46, it will give me 14 minutes.